Have you ever wondered what happens when you file a personal injury lawsuit in New York? Are you unsure about the step involved or how long it could take? In today's video, we will break it down for you step by step so you can feel confident navigating the entire process. Every year, thousands of individuals in New York are injured due to accident, whether it is a car crash, slip and fall, or workplace accident. The aftermath can leave you with medical bills, lost wage, and emotional stress. If this happened to you, filing a personal injury lawsuit might be the way to get compensation for your injuries. But how does the process work? Let's walk through it together. In this video, you will learn the following question. First is how to determine if you have a valid personal injury claim in New York. Step 2 is the step by step process of filing a lawsuit and what happens after you file the claim and what to expect during settlement negotiation and trial, and now how long the entire process might take. Step 1 is determining if you have a valid claim. Before you rush to court, the first step is determining if you have a valid personal injury claim. To win a case, you must prove these four key elements. First is duty of care. The responsible party had a duty to protect you. For example, driver must obey traffic law to protect other drivers and pedestrians. And second is breach of duty. The responsible party breach their duty, such as running a red light, failing to maintain their property. And third is caution. The breach of duty directly caused your injuries. And fourth is damage. You must have suffered actual damage such as medical bills, lost wage, or pain and suffering. If you can prove all four elements, you have a valid claim. And second step is hiring a personal injury lawyer. Once you determine you have a valid claim, the next step is to hire an experienced personal injury lawyer. A skilled attorney will guide you through the process, collect evidence, handle negotiations, and represent you in the court. But remember, you don't have to pay unless you win the case. Most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis. And step third is filing the lawsuit. Once you hire a lawyer, they will file a formal complaint with the court. This is the lawsuit itself, which includes detail of your injury and what you are asking for in compensations. The defendant, the person or company you are suing, will then have a set amount of time to respond. And fourth step is discovery phase. After the lawsuit is filed, the case enters what is called the discovery phase. This is when both parties exchange information. Your lawyer will gather evidence like medical reports, police report, and witness testimonies. The defendant may also request your medical history or take depositions. This phase can take months as both sides prepare their argument. And fifth step is settlement negotiation. Before case goes to trial, there will likely to settlement negotiations. Many personal injury cases are resolved in this phase, where Both parties agree on a compensation amount without going to court. The insurance company may offer a settlement, but it is important to have a lawyer who know how to evaluate if it is fair offer or if it is in your best interest to go to trial. And step 6 is going to trial. If the settlement cannot be reached, the case will go to trial. During the trial, both sides will present their evidence and argue their case in front of a judge or jury. This process includes opening a statement, witness testimonies, cross examination, and closing argument. The jury or judge will then decide whether the defendant is liable, and if so, how much compensation you should receive. And step 7 is post trial and appeals. After the trial, if the verdict is in your favor, you will receive compensation. However, the defendant has the right to appeal the decision. If they do, the case may go through a lengthy appeals process, but your lawyer will guide you through this next step. How long does it take? Now, let's address the $1,000,000 question. How long does this entire process take? It can vary depending on the complexity of your case, the amount of evidence, and whether the case goes to trial. On average, personal injury case in New York can take anywhere from a few months to several years. A quick settlement may take 6 to 12 months, while a complex case going to trial could take years to resolve. Key takeaways. To sum it up, filing a personal injury lawsuit in New York is a multi-step process that involves proving your claim, hiring a lawyer, filing a lawsuit, engaging in discovery, negotiating settlements, and possibly going to trial. Understanding each step help you stay informed and navigate the legal system with confidence. If you have been injured and are considering a lawsuit, it is important to seek professional legal advice. Contact an experienced personal injury lawyer to help guide you through this process. Don't face these challenges alone. Your lawyer will help ensure you get the compensation you deserve. For more information on personal injury case in New York, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.